Welcome to watch today's fresh home. In Broadbeach on the Gold Coast, Decus transforms a high-rise apartment into a sanctuary with a rich, tailored narrative. High-rise apartments on the Gold Coast abound, yet many exhibit a similar interior design. That was the challenge facing interior designer Alexandra Donahoe Church of Decus when a Singapore-based couple asked her to transform an off-the-plan apartment, one that would become their Queensland base and, ultimately, their permanent residence, into a space that better reflected who they are and what they value. Donahoe Church began by ignoring the basic fit-out, including fixtures, joinery, and lighting, and stripping it back. Essentially, we treated it as a totally blank shell, as though we were starting from scratch and set to work layering, she says. The key was to use natural, textural materials instead of the often homogenized, faux, replica materials that frequently monopolize developments of this type and scale. We purposely ran in the opposite direction of apartment package. We embraced the colors of the endless horizon in front and mountains behind and wove a new narrative of undulating tones and hues, quiet and calm, deep and sensual, depending on the space and use. By integrating vibrant natural stones, textured wall finishes and custom furniture, we created moments that add nuance and personality. Organic forms and custom pieces softened the architecture, making the space feel inviting and unique.